Hello friend, Henry Flowers here with Protecting Black Life. Let me say this unequivocally and very boldly. I condemn you. If you are lashing out in violence against police or white people or anyone else that you think is responsible for the divisions and that are happening in the community, as the Urban Outreach Director of Protecting Black Life, I speak on behalf of my organization and I say I condemn you and your actions. No retaliation that looks like evil being returned for evil, no retaliation of that sort is acceptable. You do not speak for me. If you are, I don't care if you are with the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, NAACP. I don't care if you are with Black Lives Matter. I don't care if you are Al Sharpton or Jesse Jackson. If you are returning evil for evil, I condemn your actions, and you do not speak for me as a black man. Protecting Black Life is about taking the pro-life conversation into the black community. And my black brothers and sisters, we need to learn how to have conversations with people. You don't satisfy an injustice with violence. That's not the way things get resolved. You are throwing your life away, like this young man did. Gunman fires 17 rounds at a policeman's home. Police chief makes an unbelievable statement. So this is Indianapolis Metropolitan Police officer who was 17 rounds fired in his home, and I still have to read the rest of the article, but 27-year-old March Ratney was apprehended as the culprit. These kinds of actions should be condemned by blacks all across the nation, by black leaders all across the nation from all organizations. Conversations need to be had. This man is a family man. He got his own family. He's trying to do the best he can. And we, as leaders, need to speak out. If we are trying to do the best that we can, we need to speak out against these kinds of actions. And as Protecting Black Life, we are in the business of taking the pro-life conversation into the black community. We are about helping people have a better grasp on life issues from the womb to natural death. Every life is precious. And we are the protector of those who cannot protect themselves. So if you have made the very foolish decision for returning violence for violence on behalf of protecting black life, I condemn you.